Hello everyone, this is Alastair. I'm going to talk about some of my advancements in my ever-continuing Forfront Ironman project. First of all, since yesterday, I've been developing on an audio-based HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript interface. And I'm going to show you that one now, and then I'm going to show you my calculations and my development board and solar panels. And I'm also waiting for my scholarship money so I can buy probably either an LCVDS board and an inverter and a LCD touchscreen panel, or an HDMI output virtual reality glasses. And quite possibly I might also move from a Raspberry Pi development board to a more powerful development board. First I'm going to show you my interface powered with HTML5 audio. Let me see if I can proceed this. Let me tell Chrome to allow permission to speak to the mic. Caillou, open computer.
Computer unlocked. Welcome back, Mr. Paragas.
Caillou, close computer.
Sir, the computer has been closed.
Play music, shoot to thrill. Stop music. Play music, Imperial March. Stop music. Play music, 1 against 100. Play music, 1 against 100. Stop music. Stop music. Okay. Right now I'm also trying to integrate. What do you call this? I'm also trying to integrate weather output from Wunderground, the same people who run Weather Channel, and I'm also trying to connect with New York Times servers and Google servers, so I can connect information and I can tell my interface to get me the latest news, get me the latest weather information, yada yada, and flash it right before my eyes. This will probably be packaged into an HTML5 compliant browser like Chromium on Linux, and I'm gonna have Linux automatically open the browser on boot so it can load up the interface. And I'm still wondering how I will probably do the whole video portion without the screen lagging. That's a big problem. Either I move with an actual eyepiece in the helmet, or I'm gonna have to buy a camera module for my development board. These are my development boards. Let me show them to you. The Raspberry Pi. That's my notebook, by the way, where I keep my calculations. But that's the Raspberry Pi circuit board. It's very weak. It only runs in a 700 megahertz processing power. But it comes with a, let's see. Let me see the specifications. Yeah, the processor goes right there. And I believe, where is the CSI? I can't see where the camera module goes and everything. But basically this runs on a 5 volts input of power. And with this, with my solar panels that I bought from eBay, I can actually power this board out of that solar panel. These are the things that I bought in eBay. A wireless keyboard system, because still my touch input codes are still not as accurate as ever. I bought 2 solar panels, one producing 5 volts of energy and one producing 9 volts of energy. This will be the main power source, and this might be the backup power source. And last but not least, this is the 802.11n Wi-Fi module, which the development board, the Raspberry Pi, this is a whole computer, will use and will work on when it is running on the internet. The development board is the whole Iron Man project is solely reliant on the internet because there's so many information that this board needs to relay the user at any single point in time. So yes, this is a very big project, but aside from that, here, let me show you one of my other projects in Chromium, and it's the Iron Man GUI. Let me see if it will load without any problem. Allow. See, this is a very rough interface system. The algorithm is very off. It's based on light sensitivity, so it's not as accurate as I want it to be. It's not even detecting my things accurately. As you can see, the face portion is very off, and the hand portion is not even activating. I'm working on smoothing out the code with a better framework from Google, but as of now, my only best bet is this wireless keyboard system and the audio output provided to me by HTML5. And that's it. Hope I become successful in this project. I'm using whatever money I can scrounge up through my scholarships. I'm waiting for my scholarship fee returns so I can buy more things online. I'm estimating the first version of this helmet interface portion will cost me about $200 to $300, but I'm very passionate about programming. I've been doing this for 4 years. I made a couple of desktop programs and web software before, and to me, there's never a limit to programming, and I want to by achieving this project, I believe I'm setting a higher bar for myself. And before I close this video, I think that's my general message to everyone. Never stay in one position. Always keep challenging yourself, because the point of humanity, the point of our human society is to keep innovating and developing, because without development, there is no humanity. We have built on the foundations of our ancestors, and without our ancestors, without their innovations, we wouldn't be here today. Thank you for watching.